Hi guys, I showed you in my last video of how all the paper that I just ordered, the mystery box, the Echo Park paper, and I thought I would show you how I put it together to store on my shelves. So these I picked up at Hobby Lobby for 99 cents. I usually try to keep them around, but you can buy them anywhere. You know, they have them everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a lot of noise and pull that off. But I'm going to put my baseball collection in this one. Because like I said, I do have another one coming. So I'm going to put this one in like this. And that way when I get the other one in, I'll put it with it. And then I will put it on my shelf. I put all of my papers in something. I don't have them just out. But I don't spend a lot of money on it. This is a page protector, just for the 12 by 12 page protector. I do find them more like 12.5 by 12.5. That's not the exact size, but this has got my fairy garden collection in there. But I also have the solids. So what I do is I put it on the back so I can see exactly what I have. When I am working on my other papers, where I have 2 or 3 of the papers, I put one way and one the other way. So I know exactly how many I have, and then I'll store this on my shelf. This is the Endless Summer collection that they sent to me. Again, I don't have the solids on this one, so I just have just the kit itself in this one. I have my checkerboard paper that they sent to me, and they're just solids on the back so that I don't have anything except this in here, so I can see what colors I have. It is so easy just to come through here and see what colors you have, how many you have. It works great, and it just sits on my shelf and it doesn't get messed up. And the last one is my, what is this one? Telling Our Story kit. I have 2 of them. I ordered one, and then in the mystery box they sent me another one, and then they send me all of these extras. So I have everything in one of these envelopes, and everything is together. I keep them all together like this, and I store this on my shelf. And on the back, oh, you know what? I didn't fix that right, so let me show you what I'm going to do. I have the solids kit on this one, and I'm going to turn it this way. Put that in there backwards, and so when I turn it over, I know that I have the solids thing to go with it. So I hope this helps you guys. I absolutely love having my paper organized where I can just grab something, and if I want to do a 2-page layout, I know exactly how many pages I have. I'm not looking down a whole section of papers to find out if I can find another blue one with stars on it or something. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll be back. We got a lot more to do.